So why am I changing the entire look of the G? Well, the simple answer is what is going on, guys? I'm welcome to Wrenchettes. We're now working on this video for G35, but alive as well. Finally, the universe is compensating me for all those times that I went to the junkyard and I didn't find squiddly squat. Now, when I went to the junkyard, I was not looking for these upgrades, but they were there. So I couldn't pass up the opportunity. And what I found was, I found 07 taillights, in which they were in terrible conditions. That video should be up already. I will link it right now. And I also found the 07 trunk and wing. Besides that, we're going to change the side mirrors because these side mirrors are going to go into the LED side mirror project that is coming soon to the channel. Now stay tuned for that. And lastly, we are going to replace my halos with Spec Ds and see what setup looks best for my build. So why am I changing the entire look of the G? Well, the simple answer is I went to the junkyard and I found some great OEM upgrades for my G35.
I wanna escape and restart all. I wanna escape and restart all. I wanna escape too. Away into the wild, I know my aim, I'll dive inside. Can't wait to bury the ruins of my mistakes, to only keep it the truth, yeah. There's a treasure out there, just everyone should just have to choose, yeah. Here it is a wisdom I must say, is that of my freedom of mind is one away. I wanna escape and restart all. Escape and restart all. I wanna escape too.
Okay, so honestly speaking, every headlights and taillights and setup and rims goes different with every build. Now I'm asking you guys for my specific build, okay, what looks better? For the headlights, does the halo look better or does the Spec Ds look better? For the rear of the car, what setup looks better? The 05 taillights with the 05 trunk and wing, or the 07 taillights with the 05 trunk and wing, or the 07 taillights with the 07 trunk and wing? What looks better and where? So if you found this video informational and entertaining, please give me a like on this video, and if you haven't so already, please consider subscribing. Until next time, guys, God bless, stay prayed up, peace.